Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about refs in React. In React, refs are used to access the DOM nodes. One use case of refs is in the form fields. We can use refs to initialize a focus on a form field. Let's just go ahead and create a form. Let's have this. Let's call this my app. Let's take this out. Let's pass this. And let's create a component called form right there. Let's create a file where we will have our form components in, and let's do this. And let's say form, not from. And let's get rid of this state line here. Come in here. Let's create a form tag there. That's going to have an input field. For the type, set text. And let's close this like so. And after these, let's come to my app.jsx and import our form components like so. Form. Let's save that. Now let's go to our browser to see what we have. As you can see, we have a form field here. But what we shall be using ref to do in this form is that when this page is loaded, there will be a focus here initially, like so, so that the user can just start entering whatever they want to enter. So let's use refs to do that. Let's go back to our form.jsx file. Let's create a constructor and let's pass in a super function. Let's say this.inputRef is equal to react.createRef. CreateRef is a method that exists in our parent React class. So that's why we're saying react.createRef. Let's come outside and create a component did mount, because we want this to happen the moment our component mounts on the screen. So we're going to say component did mount. And we're going to say this.inputRef.current.focus. And we are going to pass that in as a function. Now in our render method, we are going to come over here in our input field and we are going to pass in an attribute called ref. Now this attribute will be set to this.inputRef. And that's it. This.inputRef. So when we save that and we go back to our browser to see what we have, you see it's initialized by default. So let's refresh our page to see this once more. As you can see, the field is initialized by default. So that's a use case of ref in React. We used it to add focus in our form field. Now, what happened in our constructor here is we set a value of input ref to this function. This is the very useful function that we passed into this.inputRef that is passed into our ref attribute in our input tag. So the component did mount method we have here is taking this here, which is this.inputRef, and setting it to the current field that we are on, and it's applying the focus function on this variable here. Now this variable is passed into our input tag here. So this variable has a focus function that is triggered on it when a component mounts. And this variable being passed here will also activate this focus function on this input tag. For now, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.